Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome to my channel and happy Tuesday. This week's stamping collab was hosted by Dina's Nail Art, and these are the manicures we prepared. Check the description box for links to everybody's video. Let's get started. For my base, I chose two polishes. First, I applied this P2 Minute Mani. This one is called Quicksilver. And then I went over it with the Sinful colors called Shell Out. I actually really like how this combination looks. From plate Ejiubas EJB-X15, I want to use this little candy image. I also took out this plate OS05 just in case, because this one also has some candies here that I might be able to use. Even though I'm not sure how many of these candy images are going to fit on my nails, I'm going to pick up several using different stampers. I'll use my La COSEDORA stamping polishes to fill in each candy. I also used these two polishes, this orange from Born Pretty and the white from Maniology called Bam White. I want to use the silver Maniology stamping polish called So Metal to stamp a few of these designs on the nails. These will just be in the background. All the little candy images are dry, so now I'm gonna go ahead and stamp them directly onto my nails. Now it's just a matter of figuring out where I'm gonna place them. I think I want to start with the white one. That looks cute. Oh, it's not sticking. Uh-oh. To make sure that the images stick to my nail, I'm gonna apply a little bit of this clear top coat. I'm gonna wipe off as much as possible from the actual brush and then just dry brush it. It's just so there's a sticky surface. And that's pretty good. Perfect. And we'll finish off putting the green one on my thumbnail. Since I already went all out adding so much to this manicure, let me try stamping over this image again with the green. Let's see how that looks. That's just going to be a test. That looks pretty and it gives it a little bit more color. So I'm going to do that on the other nails. I'll apply my Born Pretty No Smudge top coat to seal in the stamping. And now I'll have to choose between glossy or matte top coat. I think I'm going to go with glossy, so I'll apply my Seche Vite Dry Fast top coat. This is the completed manicure and I'm loving the way it turned out. I think adding the extra color really helped it out and brought the whole manicure together. So I'm really happy with the end result. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! I would love to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet by clicking the subscribe button. And if you enjoyed watching, leave a thumbs up and let me know.